Before starting the project, I placed the towel on a Couture inking mat to stabilize it during the process. Then, using my transfer trimmers, I cut the transfer on the cut line and then labeled each part. Because I'm using ink, fuzzing is not required before placing it on the towel. When inking, I load the squeegee and start above the transfer and pull the ink down in one direction from top to bottom, not side to side. Before removing the transfer, be sure fingers are clean without ink. Then pull the transfer up evenly to avoid stretching it. Using my heat tool, I dry just enough to remove from the sticky mat. Now repeat the same process with the second towel. First, label, then place, now add ink. Then remove transfer. And now dry. After the ink has dried completely, use an iron or a heat press to heat set the ink. Here are the directions. If you like what you see and you want to see more, visit my online store.